How to edit your Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Instagram and open it. Now, tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Here you can see my bio is currently simply welcome to my account. Now in order to edit it, tap on the edit profile button. Here you will find a separate section for bio. Then tap on it, and after that you will be able to edit it, but make sure you can only add 150 characters. Like this, tap on the tick button and go back, and now you can see my bio is changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.